All right, let's talk about a lie that most of us were trained to believe. You've heard it 1,000 times, maybe even said it yourself. Happy wife, happy life. Sounds noble, right? You take care of her, you keep the peace, you do what it takes to keep her happy. But here's the truth that most men don't realize until it's almost too late. You're not responsible for her happiness. Let that sink in for just a second, because if you're like most of the men that I work with, you spent years carrying that burden. You wake up every day with one mission: to make her smile, to avoid arguments, to diffuse the tension, to solve the problem. You've made her emotional state the measuring stick of your success as a man. And what does it cost you? The real cost of being her emotional support human is that it costs your clarity, your energy, your self respect. You walk on eggshells and you avoid speaking your truth. You shrink to stay safe. And slowly but surely, you lose yourself. You start to resent her, and even more than that, you start to resent yourself. Because deep down, you know you're not being honest. You're not being free. You're not leading. You're performing. When you make her happiness your job, you both end up miserable. Because no woman wants to be with a man who's afraid of her feelings. She wants to relax into your strength, not watch you collapse trying to manage hers. Hi, I'm Charlie McKeever, your happy man coach, and here's what real leadership looks like. Real leadership doesn't mean that you ignore her. It means you love her deeply without betraying yourself. You show up present. You speak from truth. You lead from integrity. You don't chase her moods. You don't beg her for peace. You don't adjust your entire life to make sure she's never uncomfortable. You hold your ground with love and clarity and calm and confidence. And guess what happens when you do? She stops testing you. She starts trusting you because she can feel you again. Not the version of you that's afraid of losing her, but the version that's finally come home to himself. So I'll ask you again, are you performing for her happiness, or are you ready to lead from truth? Let's break that cycle together. Go to happymancoaching.com and book a free Happy Man coaching call with me. Let's get down to the core of what's really going on and what you want for yourself in your life and your marriage. I guarantee that after that call, you're going to feel more confident, more grounded, more calm. I'll also introduce you to my community of men and tell you how you can join the conversation, how you can join our weekly calls, and how you can get support from men just like me who are going through this together. So if you're ready to be that happy man again, go to happymancoaching.com, book that call, and I'll talk to you soon.